Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at the hill start manoeuvre for Queensland applicants in the C-class category, and we're going to look at some of the common Q-safe errors on the hill start. The learner must ensure their performance of the hill start manoeuvre is legal, safe, and correct. The learner is required to move off smoothly from a stationary position and travel up a moderate incline without rolling back. They must demonstrate appropriate observation and scanning techniques and demonstrate appropriate signaling during the manoeuvre. The examiner will ask the applicant to perform the hill start manoeuvre something like this. I'd like you to do a hill start ahead. Would you please stop parallel to the curb, near, indicate a location. Thank you. Please drive off when ready. Examples of errors in the driving test. Handbrake. It is a non-critical driving error if the applicant in a Q-safe driving test leaves the handbrake on or operates the handbrake whilst the vehicle is in motion without affecting the performance of the vehicle. Rolls on a grade. Critical driving error. It is a CDE if the applicant in a Q-safe driving test rolls on a grade where safety is compromised. Clutch control. The performance outcome for this performance check is the applicant should control the clutch in a manner that produces a smooth take-up of power to the driving wheels and assists in changing gears. It's a non-critical driving error if the applicant releases the clutch too quickly. Stalling. The performance outcome is as follows. The applicant should control the vehicle to prevent unnecessary stalling. The scoring criteria is as follows. Non-critical driving error. Stalls the vehicle for any reason, for example, poor clutch control, poor use of handbrake, or poor accelerator control. Specific repeated driving error. Repeated stalling, that is 6 errors. Critical driving error. Stalls engine in a situation that causes obstruction to traffic or contributes to a dangerous situation. Signaling. Non-critical driving errors. Fails to cancel the signal within 5 seconds after the turn or divergence has been completed. Cancels the signal prematurely, that is before the turn or divergence is commenced or completed and without subsequent reapplication. Signals unnecessarily where confusion to other road users may occur. Activates the signal in the wrong direction. Specific repeated driving error, repeated non-critical signal errors, that is 6 errors. General critical driving errors. Intervention by the examiner. The student will be unsuccessful in their driving test if the examiner is required to intervene either verbally or physically. This could be to prevent an accident, to prevent a dangerous situation occurring, for example, inadequate vehicle control that could compromise safety. To help the students through any part of the test because of their inability, that is, when it becomes necessary, because of safety or inadequate time to complete the test. Thanks for watching. This is Brendan from Watto Training.